say abanya owo so a odi dwuma eye NDC aban. Na there was a development last weekend na efa eye NDC. Amanyuku no wono mo edwam training ho. Na ensem okoka ewo etifidu bantemu abeye hu ha emehu nsem bebre no asori. Ni nyina eye Johnson Esiedu nketia ne thank you to. Na wa ontre the course no, I just want you to listen. Any reactions aba? In fact, Muntaka camp and so akasa and Haruna Idrusu and so are responding. Those who are claiming say the response no sa response nearby no old a tremuno and yeno cre. When you go on myjoyonline.com, okosha ubehu say the reaction is current, bet your memo evidence and everything. Pra Facebook na beti asemo kind, then I'll have my take on it.
We got over that time. The new things were emerging. And I said that we have to change the forward line of parliament. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us to win election. President Muhammad disagreed with me. But I said that, look, you have elected me as chairman of this party. I am the coach of the party going into the election. So let me make the changes that will win us the election. When we win, we all enjoy together. Since I made that change, I say, my brother Haruna did somewhere. The other guy, Muntaka, you also said something. Let people come, new people come, and you sit on the bench and watch. There was hell. And people started thinking that somebody who has been my friend for more than 20 years has certainly become my enemy. I said, how can Haruna become my enemy? He cannot become my enemy. But I am a coach, and I must watch how our opponents are playing, so that I also arrange my things for us to be able to win. When we did the arrangement, we went into the election. The victory that NDC got in 2024, have you seen any such victory in Ghana since the beginning of the Fourth Republic? We won. After winning, I told President Muhammad that we cannot ignore Muntaka and Haruna in the setting up of our government. So they need to be given big positions. President Muhammad agreed, and they gave them big positions.
Johnson Esiedu nketia ene no ewa kakra na utie no a ewa tifidu mantem in fact around Tamale ho ne de unim say Haruna mo enclave ni ade a na yekoye in 2023 ena letter NDC Etroye dated 23rd of January 2023 e de call parliament say omo esesa omo kandifu a ewo mrahye bedwafie. In fact, Dr. Keselato force an MP for Ejumako Enyenesiam, ebeye minority leader, obesi Haruna Idrusu, MP for Tamale South, and Emmanuel Amaku Fibua, and so MP Elembele, onosu ebejinemu, deputy minority leader, onosu replace Eye James Clute Aveji, anonsu MP for Eye Ketunov. Na when him say Kwame Agwadzanso by current road minister, onosu bejinemu so play ne part replacing Muntaka Mubarak MP for Asamwase. Wo nyina na saade ni see no. It's obvious some of the supporters and now mo pe Muntaka Haruna no asem ne ade, some of them were not comfortable. Wo mu hu ni say akwete say Esiedu nketia benya chairman no e na wo pia Haruna ne ade mu esi nchen. Who here say any person be wo better to say ansem no ekoso a we leader no wo be person wo be explain wo kakra. But I think say Johnson Esiedu nketia na namontuo mu say o explain ni ho no over explain ye e trash ye ma ensemfuo bi kura ne ade a wo use ye no e call the nim dudu. And as an experienced politician, anyhow smart, believe say oh ye ne de you really take consideration of baby a wujina wo kasa. Any choice of words. Areas, instead of say all calm tensions, rather the over explanation now or my abe deeping divisions and some kind of unnecessary tension be within the party currently. Because Uti and Samuel Kekai claiming that say Haruna any muntaka say one change and your coach papa and you man free wa Ebianka victory no Emma because that's the notion that is what he wants to actually put to the people say mimi your coach no Mr. Sawomo and no na dia victory ni bae. In other words say once Sawomo enka NDC be lose. That assertion as a leader at that moment, any asemwa okano Johnson is here doing ketia. That is not entirely true because there is no data backing this. Asemwa okan and because the data be anywhere backing, and already so we IMF data, Afrobarometer modeba, any all the research and that eba bontia. Say our economy was bad. That time inflation from 13.9 in 2020, I could do 54 in 2022. You better crack a in 2024, getting to the elections were 23%. In fact, Yeka as or mine rose from 120 billion in 2016. Emiako Yenimwako could do 767 billion in 2024. Tension how many Ahuchra ne was system Nimwan Kasano. Now there were indications that the current government, and Yadias will be Yana Yejinas will be loose. In fact, there's a response from Forum for Development and Accountability Governance, FDAG. One more report for Babontino actually say NPP elusu elections based on economic missteps, corruption, unemployment, any governance failures. In fact, Baumia crowns on several platforms where can so many mistakes be no more economy no more be. Will say it's not only Muntaka. Any Haruna say we change you or mono na di win bre NDC. That is a fact. You can't change it. And you are making it look as if say we change Haruna any muntakano our parliament gono any ma NDC din kunim. Ebasa as a leader. Ode wo how eba party nim. In fact, Okasa akra manetra so over explain yourself to the point that Chesses and Kenya Ukra now recommend Haruna any muntaka. Kebia Mahama wa appoint you. That is it. So you recommend that say Mahama appoint you Musa and then Mahama appointed them. It means say and Kamuntaka interior minister ya wodi nkuonya. Haruna nsunka education nkuonya. That is what you are saying. Must it all be you? Must the entire glory of the party, your party, as a leader, be centered around you as a Ketia? Because we're all in this country. Yehun Krofu what NDC Musua. Ebiso born twa echo areas who do be choir campaign. Edema NDC. And even as a good leader, say victory and now success by you don't take the entire glory for yourself alone. Wonkasa kan ibina de pa bra wu change eye muntaka ne eye Haruna no. Immediately media for ba wonche betwetwe nkomo. Joy News said you see kasa wo kasa wo see we decided but the name ko gina soro wono say I making it personal like as if wonko na wo ye bibia e ma enkunimdie etumi bai. Maybe see a tear voice we. This was and earlier.
So many of the debates and other discussions will focus on the economy. So you better put your best man in the economy forward, and that is what we've done. And then we also looked at energy. You know, this petroleum and electricity challenges, and so we needed to settle on.
Into Tienua, Okopetia, me brain so. But Okopetia, or see he never personalized any of the decisions. But then they all personalized decisions. As if I did. And it's bringing tension in your own party, at your own yard, as a national chairman. Now, the account crabia a hard say referring to a whole interior minister, Muntaka, having been in parliament over a decade. What's Nemua NDC Onya Kwadawum? Now you are referring to him as the other guy. Even Krakabit made in the ministry, Kradia Afreno. That was an insult. And is disrespect to the honorable minister, Muntaka. He might be young, but the position of holding Tino, you as a chairman, say one February man, better no more wabontin krebuno. That was a total disrespect for Muntaka. And I think that on that note, you need to apologize to him for using that particular tag on him. Enya papa, esi edun ketia, Johnson esi edun ketia. And this is what Muntaka camp ediaba. To where Sawansi constituency, Jeff Fatsos Mame. They also responded on their Facebook page. Omatro kasa tin. Omucha said they are not happy about the who esi edun ketia wayeno. And this is bringing division. It has started. So the recent comment by the national chairman of the NDC, Johnson Esiedun Ketia, during his thank you tour in Tamale South regarding the 2023 reshuffle of the minority leadership and its alleged impact on the NDC 24 are unfortunate and unnecessary. And ridiculous and some more kind of Jeff next one, mame. Or see many faithful are beginning to see a pattern of comments and action that appear unfairly targeted at some respected Muslims and northern leaders of the party. Oh, baby, adeko. Oh, baby, adeko. Say no mufi say Muntaka ye Muslim unti. Haruna ye Muslim unti. Ina wo asi edun ketia wo mu omo na wo ka sa ansem because I say omo ye Muslim unti na wo ye omo sa. And it's creating perceptions amongst them. On say wo hwa or say such perceptions, whether intended or not, risks deepening divisions at a time when unity should be our greatest strength. Nasser Garden Boy, spokesperson for Muntaka, and the true with tin on the abeto. Haruna Nsua responded. Haruna Idrusu, and so Pacho say, "Oh, torn now we and a grand curtain razor." So on the deba. And going to mean Kasan More say a old video. No, this is Joy News. Or say Haruna Idrusu takes a subtle jibe at Esiedun Ketia's thank you tour. 22nd May 2026. Prince Edu Owusu and a true we no. Jeff for next one, mame. Quote you know that. Ya quote what Haruna Idrusu kai. A true preface said this is Carol. Say a proper thank you to of the President Mahama, not the curtain raiser one. It is out to audio news or curtain raiser one near there. It's not an old something. This was recorded. Joy News, 22nd May 2026. It was all catch us. Oh, thank you to no. Oh, chow, thank you to no.
Thank you to the proper thank you to of President Mahama. Proper thank you to of President Mahama as President Flagbearer. What cannot be said, Mr. We can say it. A proper thank you of President Mahama, not a curtain raiser one.
A whole national chairman, Haruna Idrusu a chaumpua for your thank you though. It tells where we are. And I always say, it was wrong for Esiedun Ketia to solely organize a thank you tour without involving the entire party hierarchy. And now on say, the reason behind the thank you tour is being exposed. Nkakra. Because no be antia say oh no so born to afa ha enti okoda ase aso no an call ho enti no okoda ase enya hwe is it Esiedun Ketia nko an tour country nyina for the NDC. Ye hu say Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ageman ko baabi ono so nante ye your friend is Professor Joshua Labi omo so nante other areas Eric Opoku mu nyina Haruna Idrusu mo Julius Bramo mu nyina abobon to afa baabi a enti enei say omo nyina ka so omo so ko omo thank you tour Kenim class ebesi we pie na we abehia na we pie nti obia ka so no so fast strategy we na nka for about a year omo so thank you tour to said your way Esiedun Ketia yi wonko a ukoya. Would there be peace in your own party? Because some of the NDC almost so make everybody in the NDC almost say speaking out because they know what you are doing is silently actually deepening cracks within the party. But obedient minka, you see, Ketia is a god within the party. If care is not taken, me say the flag bearer race in the NDC, no. Divisions ne sa kind of crisis ebeba no. Ebeye even more heavier and critical than that of the NPP. Said the norma we kakra yo hu said yesi hyase no. Se mo anhwe yi a the beba no ebeye more dangerous than the crisis the NPP faced. Make NDC flag bearer race no. Na na de okogina wa akokike no na Ghana for party ana. Where party is in power, it's time to even sit down, guide the party. Because policies are more the buy, no, and reflective party and ideologies are more mutu and more some bit me for failure Magana for one at all. The youth are crying. Jobs in your Mabuduni soon. Omu here Juma, your own party base, do one soon. And those crying, not only NDC youth, there are so many youth omusu. A man also trained the women bank. Still, all these are concerns of Ghanaians. The 24-hour economy, materialize, is even yet to do so. No ma esa momo ni koso na mutumi achieve no. It's all about thank you na makokawe and makoye say and my say. Even the Bank of Ghana governor say going forward no. And no man is smooth to say. So this should be our worry. Nye de way eba krumu no. Nye sa de way. There should be ideas to improve delivery. I rather thank you who? Any panel say okra no de wadwuma na obeye no ye ne yi a ono kra na de ne vote no be thank you. You don't even need to go there back again. Ya to abawie mampani no kra akọ ne to a thank you to awie. What is it again? To obi aka so no so koye oto kakra ye campaign to ono so koto akotanking crofo bebre ni ade. Do you know what will happen? We all know the ambitions. Any idea mukra. But you see, you don't really abuse it. It is worrying. Say, your two Obama politicians are the concern of Ghanaians, no, and your masemu. They are only thinking about who succeeds who. Why need the next? Why never carry we no baton the next? Your condescent your two the following week. Now party are we no or thinking about succession plan and your delivery. That is the problem of this country. A John say, your two abawie ye noa. Your two abawie ye noa. And the bia chassis. Ye dwene de ono be true franka. Ni obe kura to me, ni obe say. Ade. You the same thing. 2020 we ya na nya adwuma kura. Ye ready obe replace your friends and another dam ko Akufo-Addo. And then the same thing, the no mama will not go. He say, I say, a human and Cassani promises, I'm going to be. I won't show. You are rather looking at, and I win I got 2.5 years. Ghana for any abrew. Now, the social contract Ghanaians are watching. Party for the Obebaji Mostro, because NDC need your NDC need. On the Sanardine Obebaji also. By Drew Baby, net delivery now, ma. Even the NDC, or more NDC, Muanka Sankasacrano, may have apathy and they may not even go to vote for you. Nankampese floating voters ya, or more show Juma Bay and Omodia to Obama. It's a warning sign to the NDC. What is happening right now? Focus on delivery. And I see you don't get ya. Mind your words. Because divisions, say ya and a chassis. Na EDP. That's my take on you.
Oh, yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5 FM.